It's about 9 o'clock in the morning on Friday, November 10th. It's 55 degrees out. Yesterday we got like an inch and a half of rain. I was going to call this the pup date. Anyway, let's see, that's 6 of them. One of them's not in there. There he is. I need to raise that up a little bit more. They're getting bigger. Looks like the pups are preferring their food, and I'll tell you why. Is when I go over here to the mama dog, looks like her bags are empty. Maybe she just milked them or nursed them. But how you doing, Nutmeg? You're a good dog. It's time to move them. I'm gonna move the cows, so I'll probably move them this evening. But yeah, they've been good dogs and good sheepies. So somehow one of them got outside. I don't know how he did it. Yeah, it looks like these pups are all about dog food now. They can't get enough of that stuff. Neither can the sheep. I left it open and I come over and they all have their heads stuck in the bowl, in the bucket, huh? Eating dog food. My goodness. Well, I'll come back when I'm done with the cows and make sure they have plenty of food. So, you're not going to get through that way, buddy. Maybe I should get another dog dish or two. All right, I'll let you guys go. Oh, Snowball's eating his food too. All right, you guys have a great day. Take care and bye-bye.